Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the smelting furnace in Astroneer. First of all, by opening the research tab using the tab. Here going to this third tab and by going a little bit to the right by using these keys or using WASD. Here you can see the smelting furnace on which you'll require one compound, 2 resin, and it is going to cost you 250 bytes. First of all, to get bytes, you want to find a cave, and the easiest method that I found to gather some bytes quickly is to find these research samples, and by holding F key on them, as you can see, you gain some bytes. These respawn frequently on these kind of pillars, so you can check the same spots again and then once in a while. And now that you've gathered enough of bytes, 250, you can go to this tab and press this green square. This is going to unlock the smelting furnace, which can be crafted inside of the medium printer. So make sure you've got the medium printer crafted. And once you do, you want to go to it. And by going to the first tab, where there's the large printer, going to the right, here you'll see the smelting furnace. So make sure you've got the compound, which is going to look like these silvery balls, can be found on any planet on the surface. And by pressing E, you pick out the mining tool with which you can mine the compounds. The same goes for the resin. It is going to look like kind of yellow tubes on the surface, can be found on the surface, and you'll need 2 of those, so make sure you've got plenty of them. And now with the recipe selected, press the green button, and this is going to take a while to craft. Once it's done crafting, you can unpackage the smelting furnace. And now you can just go ahead and place it wherever you want and rotate it by using C and V. Then now to use it, you want to pick, for example, quartz, place it down. Also, I forgot, you need to have a platform on the bottom of the furnace, and I need some resin for it. And as you can see, it looks like this, these kind of yellowish tubes that are found on the surface, and when you mine a little deeper, you can find them under the surface also. So make sure you've got plenty of resin. You'll need 2 pieces of resin for the medium platform, and inside of the medium printer, large platform A, you can go ahead and craft it once again. And once you're done crafting, once again unpackage the platform, place it down wherever you want, rotate it using C and B key, and place the smelting furnace on top. Also plug it into your electricity grid, and as you can see, the materials that we've put in there are going to smelt into glass on top right here. And once it's done crafting, you can just pick the glass out of it, and it is going to continue its cycle. So this is pretty much all how to get and use the smelting furnace in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.